We have our tofu, smoked variety, and some of the bulgogi sauce which we made previously. Put the bulgogi in there. Tofu acts as a sponge. It's very bland if you don't do anything with it. So the more flavour you can put into it, the better the outcome is going to be. Just slice it up. Mix all that through that bulgogi. We should let that rest for a good few hours. We have our tofu, which we marinated overnight in a Korean barbecue sauce. Just lay that out on our baking sheet. And then we've got some more of the barbecue sauce. Let me just brush a bit of that over the top. That goes in the oven. The oven's set at 200 degrees. 5 minutes, we bring it back out, we brush it again. So after 5 minutes, we have a look. Turn these over. We brush again, put more of that barbecue sauce. Back in the oven again. We need to repeat that procedure probably about 4 or 5 times until they start going a bit crispy. So there we have our tofu ribs, already cooked, ready to go. I'm just going to run a knife corner to corner. And then to plate it up, I've made a little bit of a slaw, red cabbage, red onion and some carrots. Dressed that with a little bit of white wine vinegar, olive oil and caraway seeds. Scrub your tofu. That on top of there like that. Got a little bit of coriander oil just to dress, and a little bit of the Korean barbecue to go over the top. And there you have your finished dish. You will be pleasantly surprised about how meaty that tofu tastes. Give it a go, guys.